Righty guys, it's time for the Terminator. Terminator baby. Now guys, this car is using the all beaten up body because I don't want to ruin the other one. I fixed the best way I can, so but I'm estimating that body is going to pop up the first jump. So let's see. Oops, I knew it. So I pop up two clips. Dale, que tengo que repararlo. Alright guys, so here I am. I mean, this body is good, but I mean, it has here a problem that is kind of unfixable. So I'm gonna have to, you know, just use this that is good. It's not brand new anymore because, you know, you have been watching my videos, and this is the body that I'm using in the most recent videos. But definitely, I mean, it will hold a little bit more the jumps. And this is why you need to bring a lot of tools when you come to do this, because I hate, you know, coming to make videos and then not having the Very nice, very nice. All right, my bad. Wow, eso fue un salto triple mortal. Like, that was a triple, guys. I think so. We're gonna watch it on slow motion to see, but I think it was a triple jump. Hold on, guys. This has been the most, you know, high jump that I think that I have made so far. The Terminator has a really good power for it. I mean, guys, of course, this is not a stock car. It's somehow upgraded.
This is built for 98 BPM, about 3.5 minutes.
Okay. I like it, but yes. Wow. This is amazing. It's just
success, roar like a beast. 8S outcast, Willie Bar dragging down the street. Punch on 9C, rating high, ECT high. The fluid thick, send a lot. Never slip, never stop. Rlaarlo Terminator, I'm the only attack. Thinking I was ever rally car drift, grip, snap, right back. Rock and roll, titanium can't fold. Torque on the servo, 45 kilos. Oh, they know that kind of RC don't lift. Full send is the cold. Pinion sperm mesh, crisp. Get that wine on the road.
oh my god, that's unbelievably high.
X09 on the rocks, no falling, just calling that. Always full send, sometimes you gotta creep.
Wow. Terminator. It's like, yeah, the big guy that I don't want to mention the name, the actor. It is like that guy. It's tough, it's muscle, especially with this tuning, with these big monster tires. I love it. I can tell you guys, I have to fix the motor on this one because it's cogging, but it's a monster. Once I fix that and I run it on 4S, I can't wait. Keep watching. Bad driving. Alright guys, here we go. After a few fixing, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hosim X09 on action. 3, 2, 1. Full throttle! Come on, baby! You can make it. Good.
Little truck, big block, big talk. Thecondor RC, in a monster
Wow! One more time. Wow! One more time. Guys, the X09 is an excellent vehicle for the ramp. Yes, it has some flaws out of the box, but I already told you what to fix. Is the dog bones, or the, you know, the axle, or the whatever piece it is. I'm gonna put it in the description. The servo is bad. Then I have the upgraded servo on it that fits perfectly, and you can't adapt any other servo unless that you actually build a 3D printed piece. But if you don't have 3D printer to do so, this is the option. I'm gonna put it in the description. But I think it has a really good speed for the jump, good air control, the chuck came loose, but I fixed it. All you have to do is just screw it back. It looks like it wasn't completely tightened from the factory, and that's it.
Thanks for watching through to the very end. I truly appreciate the time you spent. You stay all the way, that means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I'm glad you're here with me. I appreciate your time, RC cars for life. I truly appreciate every minute you gave. Thanks for watching, my friend. See you on the next one. I love these RC cars, the speed, the turns, the race. Till next time, take care and keep that fire in your place.